easy opening door lifts from 30 to 60 degrees. The rust-proof aluminum inner liner is easy to clean. Freezers have enough room to store and organize all your frozen food. The inside temperature can keep 32 degrees Fahrenheit up to 135 hours, even during power outage. Exclusive cooling pipe provides better freezer performance. The freezer always ensures you live in a peaceful environment. The temperature control makes temperature adjustment easy and simple. Removable storage baskets help you organize your frozen food and provide easy access to the items that you use frequently. Water drain hole makes removing water within the freezer